Good afternoon, Jyot.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, so today we will be doing the lesson, the sermon at Banaras. Now, before I begin, I want to tell you what is a sermon. Do you know what is a sermon?
Mm, no, ma'am.
Sermon is a religious talk. Okay, something related to religious matters. Now, this in this chapter, just a second. Yes, so this in this lesson we are first told about the life of Gautam Buddha, and he was born into a royal family, and when he was 12 years of age, he was sent to study Hindu sacred scriptures. And after that, when he returned from there, he got married to Princess Yashodhara, and then they had a son, and they lived almost happily for about 10 years. And then in those 10 years he was not exposed to the outside world, which also had cruelty and the reality of life. So he was unaware that life
Hmm.
can be sometimes cruel also. And he was happy in his royal household. And so what happened, after one incident, when he went on hunting one day, he saw four great sights which changed the course of his life, and he left his royal kingdom in search of salvation. Now, what were those four great sights? You must have studied in history also. Those four great sights were that he saw an old man, and he saw a funeral procession, and he also saw a beggar, and he saw a just a second, just a second. Okay, and he also saw a sick man. So when he saw these things, he saw suffering, he saw human suffering, and so he could not understand because he had never seen these things. He was happy in his royal kingdom. So that shook him, and he left his kingdom, and he went for salvation. He went for the search of salvation. And after about 7 years, he got salvation under a tree which was named after him, Bodhi tree. And then he delivered his first sermon at the city of Banaras. And that is why this has been written, the sermon at Banaras. And then a
Hmm.
lady whose name was Kisa Gotami, and in her family, her son had died. And so she was so grief stricken that what happened, she could not believe that her son is no more, and she went on from house to house asking medicine so that she can bring back her son to life. So, and the people started calling her mad and crazy and whatnot, and still she was not able to come into the terms that her son is no more. And then she met a man, and he guided her to Lord Buddha. He told that if you go to Lord Buddha, he might solve your problem. So she goes to Lord Buddha and tells that this is a problem. I want my son to bring him back to life. Then Gautam Buddha smiled and told that okay, I have understood your problem. You just do one thing. You bring handful of mustard seeds from a house, and then I will see what can be done. So she was so elated, but Lord Buddha kept one condition, that the seed must be brought from a house where no one has seen death. Okay. So she did not even
Hmm.
realize. She was so happy that maybe if she brings the mustard seed, her son will return to life. So she runs back in joy, and she goes to the house, first house. Then she knocks the door and she asks for mustard seed, and then people give her. And then she asked that I hope that there is no death in your family. Then they told that no, we have seen a death of a loved one. So similarly, what happened, from that house she went to next house, and then to next. Likewise, she goes to many houses. But what was the answer? Every house had seen some or the other person's death, maybe a family member, maybe a friend,
Hmm.
maybe a relative, anybody. Then she suddenly realizes that death is a part of life. Okay, it is a like we all are mortal, we all are subjected to decay, we all will die one day. this thing she realizes, and then suddenly she sits on the road and she realizes how selfish she had been, and not even realizing that death is the very important fact of life. Whatever will whatever will be given birth to will have to die someday. So finally she
Hmm.
understands that Lord Buddha wanted to teach her a lesson, that we should not grieve or we should not feel sad for the most important fact of life. Okay, clear, Jyoth? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so this is the summary of the lesson. Now we will read it line by line. I
Hmm.
hope it's clear. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Do you like the sermon at Banaras lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so then this is the it is a moral lesson which Lord Buddha wanted to give her through an example, and that's
Hmm.
how she realizes that we all are subjected to death, and we should not feel bad for it. We should not feel so saddened by it, or we should not be in such a great shock. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall I end the class?
Yes, ma'am.
How was today's class?
Fine.
Okay then, bye.
Bye, ma'am.